Okay, now we are going to listen and decide if it is true or false. Here we have 3 mountains or hills: green hill, brown hill, white mountain. In here we have 3 rivers: River Windel, River Kark, and River Loven. Let's listen when they are compared and decide whether it is true or false.
Listen, then circle true or false. 1. True or false? Green hill is higher than brown hill. Brown hill is higher than white mountain. White mountain is the highest.
True or false? False. Let's listen again.
Listen, then circle true or false. 1. True or false? Green hill is higher than brown hill.
Green hill is higher than brown hill.
Brown hill is higher than white mountain.
Brown hill is higher than white mountain.
White mountain is the highest.
Okay, white mountain is the highest. This is true, but the other 2 parts are not true, so they are false. Let's go to the second, about the rivers.
2. True or false? The river Lavan is longer than the river Kark. The river Windel is longer than the river Kark. The river Kark is the longest.
True or false? Do you want to listen again? Let's try.
True or false? The river Lavan is longer than the river Kark. The river Windel is longer than the river Kark. The river Kark is the longest.
What do you think? True